Today we're going to get a taste of real Indian life. Our friend Ajay graciously invited us to his home where his wife has offered to cook us a meal. We're going to get to meet his family. He's going to teach us to play cricket, weather permitting too. It's starting to rain.
Yeah, let's call the Uber.
Yeah, let's go.
Ajay, how are you? Good to see you.
Good, yeah. You can have walk around.
Wow. Hi, namaste. We just made it to Ajay's house. The drive was actually not too bad, about an hour from the center of Delhi. And he's already given us the full house tour. His kids are out showing us their favorite toys. He gave us a gift. Overwhelmed right now. I'm having just an amazing time. This is really cool. Whoa!
And what is your name?
My name is Nija.
Nija.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, it's beautiful. And I love your dress. You play cricket?
This is, very famous Indian dish.
Oh,
and
wow.
very good for stomach. I mean, you try it. I'm sure you will love it.
Thank you very much.
This is dhokla.
Dokla?
Dhokla.
Dogla.
Yeah.
How long does this take to make?
Approximately 1 hour.
1 hour? Okay. That's really good. It does remind me a lot of chile relleno. It's very similar to a Mexican food we have that's really popular. Taking photos. Wow.
We are standing, on stage, and people we are surrounded by people.
So you're spinning the whole time?
Yeah, we are spinning the whole time.
Do you like peacocks?
Indian peafowl.
Yes, peafowl. Indian peafowl. They're not called peacocks here, are they?
No, because the peacock's a male.
So beautiful.
Peacock. Sometimes, peacock come to our balcony.
Wow.
They just live here?
I show you some pictures.
Do they come often?
I mean, once or twice in a month. I mean, random.
That's a lot.
Oh, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man? Is this Spider-Man?
Very good.
Do most people have Ganesha in their home?
Yeah, mostly.
Okay.
And this is with mixed grain, not wheat flour. We have normally what we do, we collect all grains, then we made a flour and we mix it. It's very healthy. So
I'm excited to try it.
You can try.
Yes.
Oh, I'd love to do it.
Oh,
I'll do the next
Alan
one.
loves
Yeah.
cooking.
I love cooking, yeah. You
Here,
were
hold on.
starting to cook and I was like, oh man, I missed it already. A little
yes, you
not.
are doing fine.
It's not very symmetrical.
next word.
I think yours turned out prettier than mine.
Oh wow, these look so good.
I know. Look at the ghee on that.
He just smells the best butter
Smells
ever.
delicious.
We are making in our own house.
You make the ghee.
Apart from this halwa and kachori, everything is homemade.
What is that you're eating?
Rajma. The beans are rajma,
Uh-huh.
and they're popular with rice, and they're very delicious.
And what about the dish next to it?
This is dal,
Which is?
lentils.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how do they taste?
I love them both. They're so good. And then this is a dessert. I already forgot the name. What was this again?
Kachori.
Kachori. And is it stuffed with something?
Lentils and inside. Boiled
Lentils. So it's sweet though, right?
No, it's also spicy.
Spicy, okay. And then this was sweet.
This is sweet. This is halwa. I mean,
Halwa.
You can find different kind of halwa in our country, but it is very famous.
Famous
Mm.
means
So halwa is typical Indian dessert. Typical Indian.
It's really good.
typical.
Is it
Typical.
lentils also?
Yeah, lentils with sugar, ghee, and cooking, mixing.
It's super delicious, yeah.
Look at this one.
Are you angry?
We're just having a laugh because we were looking at Ajay's photos earlier. He was so serious in all of them. Do you want to make the serious face?
Yeah.
How do you make the serious face?
Once again.
It's hard to make a
Oh, that's terrifying.
You want to say cheers?
in Hindi.
I think we say
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. But with glass of wine and whiskey.
Okay, not shy.
Not shy.
You don't know.
We're cheersing anyways. So this is where you all come and hang out with your friends? It's a perfect spot. We're going to another house. This is wild. Who knew this would happen?
Everything's family here.
Yeah. Ajay's neighbor offered to do henna on us, which is called mehndi in India. Here we go.
Rika, what's
Different design.
So how you feel so far, Brandi?
It's very relaxing.
Yeah?
Yeah,
About
it's like
you,
a
Arnhem?
calming
What do you think
experience.
about it?
It's very cool. I mean, when you put it on your hand, you'll feel
Yeah.
coolness.
Yeah, it's nice. Ajay was just telling me they do this for weddings, festivals, different functions.
In many functions we do it. Yeah.
Many functions, okay. And then men do it only for weddings or for both?
Only on weddings.
Only on weddings for men. Okay, okay. How long does it take to dry again? Like an hour?
I mean,
Mine's already dry.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, half an hour? And then you peel it off, right? Okay. So, we were here just during the Haldi Kumkum Festival, which is a women's festival. So they just gave us some forehead paint. Does this Haldi Kumkum? What does this
This is
represent?
how they come.
इसका क्या मतलब होता है क्यों लगाते हैं?
सुहाग के लिए.
It means कि you
Married.
are married.
Okay.
And for well-being of your husband.
Okay.
Oh,
It's for you guys.
it's for the guys.
It's a women's festival, but it really benefits you.
Yeah.
It's a blessing of long-live husband.
Oh, it's a blessing.
And then we also got these decorations that you're supposed to affix somewhere in your home. Thank you
Little
so
keepsake.
much.
Thank you.
Is it
Thank
namaste? Namaste.
Namaste.
Third house in India, and everybody has been so welcoming, so kind. Bye, thank you so much.
Bye.
Just, it really means a lot when you're on the road and somebody is so kind as to bring you into their house, introduce you to their friends and family, and everybody's been like, yeah, come in. It's been amazing. We're getting packed up to leave. We had an amazing time.
Okay. It was great.
Bye, Ajay. Thank you again. Bye.